Today we're going to be tearing down the Amazon Echo Dot 2. So you're going to have to take off this pad. There's no other way than just taking it off. These are going to be size 9 Torx screws. And it should just come off. Be careful not to damage that ribbon if you're planning on putting it back together. This is the bottom part which holds the speaker. This one's a little more involved when taking it apart. If you like my content, I would appreciate a like and subscribe. Also, feel free to add a comment down below if you want to see me tear down anything in particular, and I can try my best to make a video about it. I found that 2 pry bars works best. As you see, those 2 pads are the positive and negative. So here you want to pull that tab up and it should release ribbon. Here we have this silicone divider, probably meant for like sound dampening. So this is the heatsink for the main processing chip on board and also provide some weight. Here we have the main processing and I/O board, and on the back we have the processor with some solid thermal compound that connects it to the heatsink. Here we have the LEDs and the diffuser. This piece just comes off. Here you'll see the microphone in the middle. Same process for removing this ribbon. So the top of the board has some sort of adhesive that's glued on. My camera stopped recording halfway, so I don't have the video of me peeling it all off, but it was pretty difficult. As you see, there's still some left.